capacity to hold 40,000 prisoners, the largest of its kind in Latin America. Known as the Center for Terrorism Confinement, it opened its doors in 2023 after the government declared a state of emergency. The move limiting civil rights.
Look at the tattoos, dude. Look at that.
Tens of thousands of gang members.
Wow.
The director says the detainees have to sleep on hard surfaces to avoid giving them mattresses that could be used to hide objects. Their diet consists of simple meals that repeat every day.
Beans, rice, one hard egg in the morning.
El menú del desayuno se repite en la cena. El almuerzo lo único que cambia un poquito de pasta y arroz.